everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in YouTube. So without further ado, let's get started. So first we will go to open our Chrome browser, and here we will get the YouTube options. Click on that. But if you don't able to find out YouTube over there, you can search over here YouTube and click enter, and here is also YouTube is open. So I just want to close it for right now. So here you can see this is our YouTube, and you can see it's in light theme. So we can change it by clicking on this icon over here. And after that, here we will get the option called appearance. If you click on appearance, you get three options. One is use device theme, and one is dark theme, and third is light theme. So my device is light theme, that's why I'm gonna click on dark theme over here. And if you click on dark theme, after some times later, you can see your YouTube in properly showing in dark mode, you can see. So this is how you can enable dark mode in YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.